Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage, and today we're going to be working on Dad's Daily again. So in the last video on Dad's Daily, we were able to get the engine to pop and make some noise and run with the open manifolds, and now we are going to put it back on the lift and do a bunch of upgrades to the car, and hopefully by the end of this video, we could take it around the yard maybe and drive it a little bit. So we got some extra parts from Holley and some of their associated companies that we can put some of their parts on the car. So we're putting a Holley carburetor on here, a brand new one. So we noticed that the carburetor that was on it was starting to act up a little bit because it had been sitting for a long time. So we're going to be putting a new Holley carb on. We're going to be putting an MSD drop-in electronic ignition right in the stock distributor, and that will help us with that. I had modified the points, or not modified, but I had sanded and like bent the points a little bit just to cheat it so that the thing would fire before, but the points are burned and kind of worn out, and we need to replace those anyways, so the MSD is going to be a nice little solution for that. We also got some new seats for the car. We're going to be putting them in the car and a bunch of other stuff that we're going to do this, but again, we're going to try and get this thing so we can drive it. Fingers crossed. There's a couple little spots that were like hitting hard on the inner rod. Right. It was forcing the door. I'm hoping you got Wednesday, I think, so we will see how the drive goes. So I can run over, whenever, or this weekend even. I don't have anything going Saturday, so maybe if I
push the button or work the throttle?
I'll push the button.
All right.
He had it running better when I wasn't running the throttle.
I don't know about that.
So, new carb, Holley carb, and with our fancy new MSD ignition system.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not getting anything at the starter now.
What?
The starter button wasn't doing anything. Something getting unhooked. Hey, that was good.
That was a good start, yeah.
That was best we've had so far.
Yes,
so.
it was. That
Didn't even have to hit the throttle, really.
No, I just gave it a little squirt. Go ahead.
Oh, you're probably fine.
Yeah, I think so.
Probably good right there.
Yeah.
Man, for cleaning the shop, there's still not enough room to do anything.
No, this lift area has turned into
The catch-all?
catch-all. Steve's got his dirty laundry hanging in there.
I do. I'm sorry.
Alright, so this has to go 180. Pick this up.
I love that age.
Keep coming. Let me just get the foot in. Yeah, just let it fold. Oh, you can't fold. Set it down below the wheel, or?
Okay.
Just watch the wiring.
There you go. That's all for the door opens there.
And this way.
Oh, that is.
Just watch the wiring there, Jeff.
Hey, that actually looks alright in this car.
It does.
Great in this car.
I think we just have to find. They're probably threaded inserts
Oh,
in the floor.
gotcha.
So we just gotta find bolts. Bolt down.
That's
Fancy. Man,
That actually looks pretty good.
way better than the seats in the 39.
Yeah, look at that.
Actually, the trim matches perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. Guess we're spraying it whatever this color is again.
Sorry,
car
Dad,
is
we've
smoking.
decided.
I don't think Dad'll care. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty good.
Should we bring down the trunk?
Yeah, we can do that.
bang.
We're just gonna try and go around the yard, that's all.
Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
She's finicky. It's mulching up all the leaves.
Just needed to get cleaned out. Is that here? Yeah. Just needed it.
Bet you the transmission was a little tight.
Yeah, could be.
Like the
It's idling high now, though.
Yeah. There's going to be a lot of different things going on right now.
oh, hey, I wonder if
A lot
the
of different things going on now.
I wonder if the discs in the trans were just tight from it sitting for a long time.
Could be. Yeah, because after I got on it there,
Yep.
you got to just beat on it a little bit.
Pretty
No, it works every time.
very Fred Flintstone floor.
Yeah, we're working on stuff here.
Yeah, just you gotta watch you don't melt your shoes. That's all.
Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of warm.
Those boots already are melted on the bottom.
Yeah, they're fine. All right, so after a bunch of fiddling with this car, we ended up getting it at least moving under its own power. Still having a little bit of problems with, we think something is a little tight in the torque converter in the transmission. Not sure, but we're after a little bit of beating on it, it was sitting there and idling just like it should. So we still have a lot of work to do on the car, but it's pretty cool that we were able to get it running with this new engine and get all the parts put on and everything hooked up and basically we could start it, move it around the driveway and different stuff like that, which is super important with all these cars and projects we have. We want to make stuff so we can move them around and work on them as we please. So now that we got this stuff done on it, we can start buttoning up some other things. Obviously we got the seat just thrown in, we got to bolt the seats down and stuff, but I got to find some parts like carpet or rubber floor mat, different things like that to finish out the inside of the car, while Steve will continue to work on some of the, putting new plug wires on it, blah blah blah, all that extra stuff. And it should hopefully, fingers crossed, by spring when Dad comes back, it should be at least moving under its own power that he can take it for a drive if all goes well. We'll definitely try and get this thing so all the major bugs are worked out so he's not breaking down on the side of the road. So thank you guys for following along, appreciate it. Catch you later.